everyone! For today's vlog, we're talking about how social media helps the social worker, family, and the government. In times of disaster, getting the right information quickly can save the lives of many people. Today, social media is one of the most helpful tools for family, social worker, and the government. With just a few clicks, important updates reach thousands of people in just seconds. For families, social media makes communication faster and easier. They can check their loved ones and share their location and give a quick updates to their safety by using their phone. Social worker, it helps them know where help is needed the most. They can organize rescue teams, gather volunteers, and spread information about relief goods and safe areas. Social medias allows them to respond faster and more effectively. Government. Social media is a powerful tool for sending warnings and instruction. They can alert communities about incoming storms, floods, and earthquakes instantly. They also help them to correct information and prevent panic. Difference between social media from past for now. In the past, people wait for news on TV, radio, or newspaper. So the information came slowly. But now, social media gives updates instantly, helping people to get faster and more accurate information during disasters.